Hey guys, my name is Mark Paterno. I graduated here in PSBA way back April of 2008. Also, a proud alumni. When I talk about PSBA, it's been very memorable and very important part of my formative years sa accountancy. I had a lot of mentors, tsaka good set of friends when I was studying here in PSBA. When talk memorable part ng stay ko rito sa PSBA is yung spending long hours sa pagre-review talaga. And then doon ko kasi din talaga natutunan paano maging disiplinado sa pag-aaral. So I surround myself with classmates that na may parehas na objective sa akin na gusto rin talaga makapasa ng board exam. Nabasa ko yung pangalan ko dito sa corridor na to nung October of 2009. Ang una kong pinasalamatan talaga si Lord kasi hindi rin ako talaga makapaniwala na nakapasa ako nung time na yon. Speechless talaga nung una. Pero mga few minutes after, doon nag-sink in, napasigaw na ako talaga ng thank you Lord. At the same time, pinuntahan ko agad sila Dean. Nagpasalamat ako sa lahat ng natutunan ko sa kanila. Saka yung, of course, gratitude dun sa mga naging teacher ko dito. Ang una kong basically end-to-end accounting cycle siya. Mula recording hanggang reporting sa management, tapos tax compliance. Number one, yung discipline talaga na-instill sa akin kasi ang PSBA adheres to high standards ng education talaga, lalo na sa field ng accountancy. So, yun talagang pinaka number one na nakatulong sa akin. For those who would like to pursue a degree in this field of finance and accounting, I could say na kailangan magkaroon ka ng matinding disiplina, tsaka expand natin yung vocabulary natin kasi ang accounting kasi is more of analyzing yung mga transactions. So from there, we could work things. I highly recommend PSBA para sa mga incoming students na gusto talaga mag-pursue ng accountancy. In fact, I could say na yung PSBA talaga is one of the best school that produces high quality accounting graduates.